Make an authentic Italian pizza at home. Ingredients: 1 kilogram flour, 600 milliliters water, 3 grams dried yeast, 15 grams salt. To prepare the dough for the pizza, start pouring the flour in a large mixer bowl. In a small bowl add warm water between 98 degrees Fahrenheit and 105 degrees Fahrenheit and then add the yeast, mixing gently until the yeast is dissolved. Turn the mixer on with the hook mounted on medium to low speed and start pouring the water little by little, making sure you wait for the previous dose to be absorbed by the flour. Keep kneading until the dough gets smooth and homogeneous. When it gets to that point, keep kneading for about 15-20 minutes. Add the salt and keep the mixer running until the salt is fully combined with the dough. When the salt is fully absorbed, remove the dough from the mixer and knead with your hands until you get a large ball. Place it in a large bowl, cover with foil or a clean humid cloth, then let it rise in the oven with the light on. Wait until the mixture has at least doubled in volume. After 1.5 h, ideally, you should let it triple in size, at least 3 hours. Once the dough has risen, transfer it on a work surface. Divide it into 4 equal parts and shape them as balls using your hands. Once done, cover them with a clean cloth and let them stand for 30 minutes at room temperature, before using them to make your pizzas. Tips: to make a pizza like the one in the picture, you'll need a gas oven or a wooden oven. Find the link in the description for a nice portable mini oven selection.